Welcome to this instructional guide for installing the RA2 Select wireless solution with Pico remote controls. For this installation, we'll be using a 4-button kitchen Pico control and single faceplate. To begin with, make sure the power is switched off for the area you're working in. Unscrew and disconnect the existing switch from the wall. In the wall box, where the wired switch was previously located, terminate the now redundant cables. Screw in the adapter to the existing back box. Slide on the Pico control and click into place the final outer faceplate. And that's it.